Hello everyone, welcome to the Rimas Robotics, and today we are going to learn about the IoT. Mainly, you all know that IoT means Internet of Things. Few of you will understand that the things which are the applications or the electronic devices which are connected to the internet are related for the Internet of Things. Yes, you are right. We are going to learn deeply about the Internet of Things in this video. The main contents which we are going to learn in this introduction part of the IoT is what is IoT, history and working and applications of the IoT means the Internet of Things, current and future prospect and status, technology changes, some of the criticisms and controversies regarding this IoT. Without knowing the definition, we can't learn the whole subject. So I have came up with this definition of the two types. One is search from the Google and another one is I have created to the user friendly definition. Let me go with the Google definition. The Internet of Things, also called the Internet of Objects, refers to the wireless networks between objects. Usually the network will be wireless and self-configuration, such as household applications. In nowadays, you are going to learn or see in the advertisements like one small boy will come and operate the vehicles or the operate the home appliances with the help of the smart devices like mobiles, and he can switch on the bulb, switch on the light and switch on the fan with the help of the remote. And few of you have heard about the MI remote, means in the Redmi mobiles you can see the MI remotes which can easily connected to the air conditioners, TVs and many more. So it is a definition of the IoT which I have been explaining from the Google internet, and my own definition is by embedding short range mobile transceivers into a wide range and additional gadgets and everyday items, enabling new forms of communication between people and things and between things themselves. Many of you can't understand this statement because I have written it in my perspective of way. Uh, Basically, let us take an example of an smart mobiles. Before coming these smart mobiles, we all have a keypad mobiles where the connectivity is very slow. The connectivity between the smart mobiles is the Bluetooth range. Now we are updated to the Wi-Fi range, which is a wide range and it can be prospected and communicated around the 10 to 15 meters of the Wi-Fi enabled gadgets, and you can talk to the friend through your smart mobile through the wireless applications like camera, audio and many more. Let us have a deep structure of the IoT. Here in the middle of the PPT you can see that the Internet of Things. Here you can see the Internet of Things in an house where there is many electrical appliances and many gadgets inside it. There are few advantages like what is it? It is like a it is used in the communication, infrastructure and paradigm. Paradigm means connecting the one device to the another device without going near it, and it can be used as things to things or things to persons or machine to machine. It can be connected in few manners. And what are the applications here are, you can track the application and monitor it, control and prevent. Here tracking means if your device is not visible for you, there is another application or website called Find My Device. If your mobile is not is in silence and you cannot find it, you can use the device, another device, to locate your smart mobiles. CCTV cameras or security cameras, you can have an application and controlling the devices and preventioning it. And here there are some few benefits, which is energy usage. You can track your health and the cities and the cost. Depending on the city, the cost of the electronic devices is monitored. And the next one is, what are the issues? Is it the legal? Do we need it? And we can use it for the security purpose or privacy. We can go these topics in detail in the further videos. And some of the dangers. Mainly, every electronic device can be hacked by the hackers, and it can affect our life by leaking the information. And there is a dependency source, means it has dependent on the user and not sharing of it. This comes under the dangers. And these are the few topics briefly about the Internet of Things. Let's move to the next one. Here the IoT is used majorly in continuation of the health issues by the doctors, such as health monitoring implants, biochip transponders on farm animals, automobiles with inbuilt sensors, DNA analysis devices, and other wearable devices. Here health monitoring implants means while a person is suffering from the heart disease and his heart is not working, so the doctor makes a small surgery and suggested an electronic devices in his body, like a pacemaker. A pacemaker is a device where you all can know about it in the Google. Let me give a brief introduction about the pacemaker, where a doctor does a small surgery near the heart and inbuilds a pacemaker, where this pacemaker helps the heart when it gets weaker or it starts beating slowly or it starts beating highly. This pacemaker supplies a small amount of current so that the heart get activated again and it starts working in a normal manner. And biochip transponders for on farm animals. Mainly we cannot monitor all the animals, where some animals may miss and few farmers can't find them. So by inbuilting this biochip transponders, the farmers can easily locate where are their animals going for the grass, or if the animal is being missed, they can easily monitor where the missing animal is. And the automobiles inbuilt sensor are, you are all knowing that the Tesla cars have been growing fastly, and it is the best example for the automobiles with inbuilt sensors. And the last one is DNA analysis devices. Analysis devices means there is a lot of process without these IoT devices. We have to make a lot of chemicals, and for the DNA test, it takes some 2 to 3 weeks for the DNA test. But nowadays we can take a sample of a DNA from the blood or from hair, and we can easily connect it to the ultra high definition of the microscope, which is built with the help of these IoT devices, and easily can be monitored not only through the eyeballs of the microscope. We can connect the microscope to the IoT devices such as laptop or a large smart device TV, and other wearable devices such as Bluetooth earphones and The Bluetooth controlled Alexa and Wi-Fi. This collect useful data with the help of the various existing technologies and then autonomously flow the data between the other devices. This application is mainly used for the mobile data consumption and Wi-Fi consumption and data security purposes. All the applications are based on the IoT only. Of the IoT. This history of the IoT and the discovery and the invention all has been takes place in the year 1999. The IoT gets the name like Kenvin Einstein coins the term IoT and establishes MIT's Auto ID Center and Global Research, which has been in the Academy of the Laboratories and focused on RFID and the IoT. Basically, this history will be covered furtherly in the next video. If you like this video, so that I can get a more chance and more motivation to make more videos and the few projects related to the IoT. Or if you want to know more knowledge about it, you can share to your friends and please like, comment and subscribe to this video. If you have any doubts, I am leaving the link in the description of the Telegram link, and if you want any further help, you can contact me to the WhatsApp number in the description I have mentioned. Thank you.